Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the sample automation script I created using Selenium WebDriver with Python programming. So here I'm currently in the window like ticket catsoftwareusa.com. So this is the sample ticket generator. So this is the program I'm giving Satya Narayanan um, Muralidharan. And after clicking this make my ticket, the new tickets is generated. So this is the program. So if you see that um, that totally I have created designed two test cases just to show you an example. So my first test case is whether this test box is getting loaded or not, and my second test case is like by giving all this value whether this page is getting generated along with the ticket. So this is my testing is all about. So here how to find the locator, because all the for all automation scripts you need to tell the system that to which element you need to enter the data. So it's simple, like you need to go to Chrome and click inspect. There you can see this name smtxt1. Okay, so this is how you will be telling. So before going to Python programming, like I am showing you currently what are all the thing you need to ensure. So here you can see like you need to check whether the Python is installed in your machine. So after installation you can see the version, and there are some couple of necessary packages required for running your Python programming smoothly in Python. So Python is an Python editor. Sorry. Um, okay. So I'm just showing you. So totally three things are necessary. Sorry, actually four things. One is Python, another one is PyTest package, another one is PyTest HTML package, and the fourth one is uh, PyCharm editor. This is then editor. So okay, so for installing all this, I can share you the links. You can refer to that and you can install it. So let me quickly go to program. Okay, so in my program, you can see some importing, like initially I imported a driver, PyTest, and like libraries from PyTest and time. So before doing that, you need to check whether your program is having the necessary details. So here you can see that I have created a detail some project, and you can see that I created a new file dot test underscore test demo dot py. It's a Python file, and you can go and check here, like in settings, project interpreter. You need to ensure that PyTest HTML and Selenium is properly added to your project. So in case if you didn't see this, you can simply click this plus sign and you have to select the package, and you need to click install package. That's it. Automatically it will get installed. Okay. So let me quickly go to program. So I installed the necessary files. So I imported the drivers, and one the master thing you need to ensure is all the test classes and functions needs to start with the keyword test, so that the PyTest package will identify that this is the individual test. Okay, so let me come back to PyTest fixture and yield later point of time. So let me show you the sample thing, test case. So for test case one, I'm just checking whether the home page is getting loaded or not. So here I have added the URL, and using get method I'm asking the system to run that, and using I'm just using that async command. I'm validating whether this find element, whether this element is available in the page or not. So if the element is available, then this test case is passed. My second test case is like I'm just giving that sample input and I'm just checking whether the output is being generated or not. Okay, so let me quickly scroll up, guys. So here you can see, um, so before this diff is nothing but it's a function. So before this function executes, it will call the setup. So here I have given it as fixture. So whenever before running any functions, it will call the fixture, and after running the function, it will call the yield. So I no need to specify these two lines of code in multiple times in my program. So I'm just simply calling that function, and I'm just simply calling that yield automatically. So that's it about my program. So let me quickly run the test here for your reference. So before running it, let me close the Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm just going to run it. So this is the command pytest -v-s space --html equal to report.html test demo.py. So before that, I'm just ensuring that there is no screenshots or report available. So okay, so I'm just running this. So my first test case will execute quickly. So you can see that Chrome is being controlled by the automated test software. Okay, first test case is done, and my second test case, you can see that yeah, the driver is opened again, the Chrome, and it is just giving, yeah, the sample values, and the output is generated. Yes, perfect. Now let me quickly go back. See, you can see my screenshot is automatically captured here since I am using the screenshot method and I specified this directory, and you can see the report is also automatically generated. So you can see that totally two test cases ran, one for home page load, another for ticket generation, and both are passed. So this is how you need to automate any test cases using Selenium WebDriver with Python programming. Thank you guys. Bye.